everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today I'm back with another trading tutorial, and in this video we are learning how to reset your cTrader password if you've forgotten it during logging in. So in order to do that, first of all, open the cTrader app on your phone or your desktop and then make sure that you're inside this login page. Now in the login area, if you don't remember your password, all you need to do is to tap on the forgot password link. Now make sure that your email address is correct in it. Go ahead and correct it if it is not, and then click on reset password. If the cTrader account exists for this email or the email that you've typed in, a password reset link will be sent to you via email address. So let's go ahead and open up the email inbox. After you open up your inbox, you'll see an email from cTrader. Open it up and then click on reset password inside it. Choose any one web browser to begin or continue, and then on the next page you'll see the password box. Go ahead and write down a new password you want to change to for your cTrader account. Once you are done, go to the next field and repeat the password once again, and finally click reset password. Soon after you do that, you will be able to reset your password on cTrader. Now, in the sign in area, write down the newly updated password. Finally, click on login, and there you have it. You've successfully reset your forgotten login password for cTrader. Next time, every time you try to log in, make sure to enter the newly updated password and you'll have no problem signing in. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks.